Hey, my name's Nick. I'm with Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida. We're the #1 Class B RV dealership in the state of Florida. We're #2 in the whole United States of America. And every time I say that, I just get blown away that we are in the middle of Gainesville, Florida, a small little Class B RV dealership, and we are making a nationwide impact when it comes to the van community. And I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. One of the things everyone says when they come here, they're like, man, I expected it to be so much bigger. I expected it to be so much more of everything because you guys have such a big impact on YouTube and online and on Facebook and your reviews and all that. And you know what? We are building a nice big dealership right now. It's not quite done yet. We are here on the property, but we're in a small location, but man, we sell a lot of vans. And it's because of our reputation, our commitment to you, our customer service, our commitment to our employees also. Like, we have lots of long-term employees that have been with us, that are dedicated, that do a great job. And their goal truly is to make sure that everyone that buys a Class B RV from us is truly taken care of. So absolutely love that about our team. And we sell some great brands. I mean, Winnebago. Who has never, I mean, everybody's heard of Winnebago. People walk in, they're like, I want a Winnebago. And we're like, okay, what kind? They're like, oh, Winnebago, and they name some other brand. They just think RVs are called Winnebagos, kind of like Kleenex or Coke. It's a Winnebago, you know? And so it's cool to see the history of Winnebago, where they came from and where they're at today. I was just up at their plant last month, checking out some new products. And man, they have a steep history. And I am so honored to be a Winnebago dealer. And today, we're gonna be doing a video on a brand new 2027, one of the first ones out, Winnebago Solis Pocket. And you know why they call it a pocket? Two reasons. One, it's 17 feet long, or I should say 17 feet short. And two, that can fit in Shaquille O'Neal's pocket, I feel, because it is so small. Shaquille O'Neal is big, this thing is small. This is 17 foot. That's it. My wife's SUV is 15 feet. This is only a little bit bigger than an SUV, but it has everything you need. Everything you can imagine on a 17-foot RV. So let's dive right into it. Ceramic gray, my absolute favorite exterior color. Ceramic gray, they added some stripes to it. You see the little W floating around up there. I mean, 17 feet. Look how small this thing is. I mean, look at it. Compared to me, I'm 6 foot. This is like a little more than double me. I mean, it's crazy how little this Class B is, but yet inside it has so much. It's so big, but little. But anyways, you got running boards. You have your steel wheels. Some people upgrade those. They give you some cool windows. You have the 110 plug, your water outlet. You have a power cord. So you have a built-in power cord. Oh no, the power cord's there. This is your, oh, sorry, propane. So you turn your propane on right there, which is nice. You have your tank there, and then your generator exhaust. This Solis Pocket has a quiet Onan generator, which is really neat. As you kind of come around the back, they don't put anything on it. You are able to put a rover box. You're able to put a spare tire, kind of dress it up a little bit if you'd like. It does have cameras up there, and it has a tow hitch, so you can tow, I think it tows like 3,500 pounds. But this is what's cool, right? When you pull up and you can open this and you can store things in here or grab things you have stored. This is really nice to have this type of access when you're camping. This is like the perfect entry-level camper van, the absolute perfect one. So you have storage here. You have these rails that you can strap bikes to, and you can strap things on the rails everywhere. You have storage compartments everywhere, and then you have this wide open storage area. You do have a screen as well. And something else that I love on the Winnebagos, they give you like this little shower area here. So you just kind of put this there. So what you can do is you can hang this from it with Velcro straps. Let's see if I can get this figured out in 3 seconds, and I'll show you. And then just like this. And this little area back here is great if you're gonna be bathing or cleaning your dog, or you just want a little privacy, you know? This is a great little area back here to have it. So there you go. So you can hang this here, just like that. And then you can hang this side. So now I have an area here that I can shower, I can bathe, I can be like, you know, what was the show, Home Improvement? the neighbor, you only saw his head over the fence like this. You can never really see him. They always just showed you the head. So as other campers are walking by, you can be like, hey neighbor, how are you? You can kind of talk to them. But this is a great little area for you to shower. You know, one of the things this does not come with is a shower, but this is where they give you, you know, to have a 17-foot RV, you do need some things to be outside the RV. So they give you the outside shower and then a place to put it right here. And I'll show you this in a second, but you can hang it just like this. You can shower, you can do all of that from right here. So here, I'll show you right now. So let's get this out of the way a little bit. And so this is where you would shower. You'd plug it in there, it uses your fresh water tank, and you can shower with your privacy. So I think it's pretty great that they give you this option. I gotta tell you, some people will never use it, and some people will use it every time they go camping. It just totally depends on how you camp and what you're gonna be doing, because everybody camps so differently. And especially when you're in a 17-foot RV, you really depend on, okay, what do I need an RV for? Where am I going? What am I using it for? And then look how easy that is. Took 2 seconds to put it away. So what's great is you have the area if you need it. If you don't need it, you don't have it. They give you some nice, what are these things called? Window coverings. They're magnetic, so you can take them off, leave them on, unzip them, totally up to you. You know, when you come to Sunshine State RVs, we will deliver this for free anywhere in the country. But if you choose to fly in, we will fly you here. We'll pick you up at the airport, bring you to the dealership, and we'll teach you how to use everything in your brand new RV. Top to bottom, start to finish. Even though it's a 17-foot long, we will still spend as much time with you as you need teaching you how to use everything in here. And then when you're comfortable with that, we will send you to our local campground for your first 2 nights so you can test everything locally and get a true feel of how to use it, what to do. And if something's not working, we take care of it immediately for you. Then when you leave, we guarantee you service appointments. We give you tech support over the phone, free valet where we pick it up, deliver it back and forth within 100 miles. So much stuff, free roadside assistance, free 24/7 tech support, so much stuff that we do. So this is your water inlet, your fresh water drain. This is where you fill it, your water pump. You have 110 USB, you have 110 here, 12 volt, you have extended solar, and then like I said, you have your outside shower here. So I love how they kind of give you everything right here with the doors open. You can access a lot. So very cool area. Winnebago, I always say, is very innovative. Very innovative. They have some of the most unique floor plans, some of the most unique uses, all of that. So here's a nice big running board as well. And on the side here, they give you a little hook so you can hook your dog leash to, or your kid leash if you bring your kids with you. It just totally depends. I don't know if that's legal. But very cool. They do the blackout Winnebago stuff as well. So you can take all these stripes off and just have it be a cargo van, or leave it all on and be very proud of the Winnebagos. But I am dying. It is hot as crap, and we're about to jump inside. I'm going to show you how much space is actually in this Winnebago Solis Pocket 17-foot long RV. I am so glad to be inside this. I have the AC on with the generator. I got the front AC on. I'm cooling this 17-foot Solis Pocket down right now. But this is like the little dinette area. So this has seat belts. This can be a dinette. This can be a bed. This can be a couch. There's lots of different things you can use this area here. You can work from right here. This would be a great work area. There's a port that you can put Starlink on the roof and just run the wire down. It's already drilled and already ready to go for it. So I really like how they give you lots of options. Right now we have these things up, but these are the window coverings they give, and then you can easily open this window here. You can have fresh air with a screen, with no screen, whatever you want, right? So nice nice way of handling it. This is a cool little storage compartment. So the storage compartment goes all the way down there, here, and the same thing there. One thing that I know about Class B RVs is that storage is valuable. So every little compartment, every nook and cranny they give you, every time you use it, you just say thank you, and that's it, because it's so nice to have it. So right now, we're using this as a kind of a sitting area dinette. Now, there's lots of different ways that this can be used. We can use this as a couch. But if we move this, it's like that. And then this can go right in here. just like that. Obviously, you gotta put the table there or you're gonna fall. But now you have kind of a couch dinette area that you can hang out, which is pretty nice. You can put 2 or 3 people here and really take advantage of it. This is a joke I'd play on my brother as a kid, or my sister. It'd be me and my brother, and we put like a sheet over 2 chairs and there'd be nothing in the middle. So when they sat down, they would just fall out. I was not the best big brother. I don't know what God was thinking when he made me the oldest of 4 kids, but obviously you'd put something there. All right, so another way that this sets up and does is we could take this down here, just like this, and then remove these as well, and you can have a bigger bed. So you put this here, and then you can sleep there, and you can have the bed go all the way this way. So if you did want more room, you can put your feet there, you can lay on it, kind of, I'm gonna fall, I'm not gonna do it, but you can imagine what I'm showing you here. So this kind of folds out that way. So a few different options, a few different ways that you can set this up to be a dinette. You can set it up to be a bed. You can set it up to be like a little couch area. So, you know, you can also use it like this with nothing in the middle if you just want to kind of prop your feet up and just hang out without a table there. So really like this area here. You do have storage here, storage there. This is that port I was telling you. It's a roof access port for the Starlink. You have 110, you can put your router right here. You have 12 volt, USB, USB, all that good stuff is there as well. And then you have your fridge is here. So the fridge can be accessed from the outside or the inside. Your light switches, you have a 2-burner gas stove, which is nice. You have a sink, and you have more storage. Just, you know, drawers, and more drawers. 17 feet long. Pretty nice that they give you all of that. Now, how cool is this? I guess they're assuming you have a dog and you need a little gate for your dog. I mean, that's pretty neat, right? I don't know if I remember seeing that on the last ones. I don't know if that's something new, but this is a brand new 2027, and this is pretty neat. So you can also strap things to it. You can leave it here, and you can strap things to it if you like. You have 110 here. This shows you your hot water here, USB, USB, and then this is where you fill your, oh no, this shows your water tank. This is where you fill your water, and that shows you your water tank level there. Oh, I forgot to show you the toilet. Actually, let me show you this, and I'll show you the toilet in a second. It's pretty cool. You know, when you stand here, you really feel like it's wide open because there's not a fixed toilet and a shower. So I showed you the shower on the outside. Then I'm gonna show you the toilet in a second. But what is so great about this area back here is that the bed can be up, or you can have it down like this. So now you have the bed. So you can just climb in here, and you can get in the bed like this, and you can lay in the bed. So 6 foot tall, and I fit in the bed. The AC feels absolutely phenomenal, but 6 foot tall, I can fit in it. There's room for somebody next to me. Really nice. You can sleep there, or you can sleep up here. You have AC, you got more, you know, there's more storage here. They give you a little bag storage here, which is nice. You have a window back behind you too. So for some fresh air, if you are in nice air and you want to open the windows, you can really get that good cross ventilation there. But even with this bed up, you do have a garage storage underneath, so you can still access all of that. You can store things under the bed if you wanted. So then when you're done, kind of fold this up just like that, and then strap it in, and now you're back to having the fold-up mattress and all of this storage here, which is really nice. And then this, obviously, if you didn't want to use it, and you know, some people use like a stand-up desk, and so I've seen people and heard of people doing this. Is the window covering here, so this would go on just like this. I've heard of people using this as like a stand-up desk right here, to where they can set their laptop up here. They have their window there. You can roll this up just like this, or you can get rid of it, but you can also roll it up and it just kind of stays. There's that. Same thing here. Just roll it up and show you. So this can be your stand-up desk. You can put your laptop here. You have your bottle of water. You can be working, standing up. You got 110 plugs here. You have a nice view here with both of these doors open here. You can also have a nice view out there as well. So you kind of have access to everything if your kids are playing and you're working. So very cool how they give you all these innovative spaces to work, to hang out, to play, to sleep, to shower. And now I'm going to show you the bathroom, the toilet. So they give you a little toilet right in here. So if you do need to go, give you a little toilet right there. It's a little cassette toilet. You go, you take it outside and go. You can go in here and then you just go dump it somewhere outside and then just slide it back in there. And you're good to go. That's a very quick and easy way of using the bathroom. I think it's worth it. You do have your Truma hot water and furnace here. You have your generator start and stop. You have all your tank levels, water pump, your solar, and then you have a light switch here. So pretty simple. They try to make it as simple as possible for you, so that way there's not a lot of complexity to it, but still it gives you everything that you need. So in the front here, you do have a 110 plug down here, and you have a heater port there, so that way that, you know, the hot air does move. But then both of these seats swivel here to really give you like a dinette. So if this was down, you could have it down, you can have it up, but I really enjoy having kind of that second seating. So you have two people sitting here, two people sitting there, and then kids outside playing, however you want to use it. But they give you the digital rear view mirror. They give you something that I absolutely think is necessary, is push button start. You have adaptive cruise control, blind spot assist. You have, you know, all the different camera situations that you need here. You have, I mean, front camera, or just back, maybe not a front camera, just like a back camera. You have satellite radio, Bluetooth, you know, Apple CarPlay. They don't just give you a dumbed down version of the ProMaster. They give you the really nice version with lots of storage and stuff. So these seats do swivel around. They face the back, they face the front, and you know, 17-foot RV, you would never believe you have this much space. I mean, 3 sitting situations, 2 sleeping situations, a shower outside, a fridge, a stove, a sink, a toilet. I mean, everything you can imagine in a 17-foot RV. It just amazes me every time I see it. It just amazes me at how wide open this feels. So I love it, absolutely love it. So check it out. This is the brand new 2027, just came out. Lots of cool upgrades from Winnebago, and we have them on the lot at Sunshine State RVs, free delivery anywhere in the country, or we will fly you here and teach you how to use your RV here in Gainesville. So thank you for watching videos. Thank you for being loyal to us and helping our small little business in Gainesville, Florida grow. Thank you for watching.